Football lovers, get ready, the biggest tournament on earth is back. The FIFA World Cup 2026. Bigger, better, and more exciting than ever before. This time, history is being made. For the first time ever in the World Cup will feature 48 teams instead of 32. And guess what? It will be hosted across the three countries: the United States, Canada, and Mexico. With more teams comes more action. A total of 104 matches will be played, making it the longest and most thrilling World Cup ever. Fans around the world will witness new rivalries, underdog stories, and unforgettable moments. Will legends like Messi and Ronaldo still shine? Or will new superstar rise and take over the world stage? One thing is certain: this World Cup will create heroes. Every nation has one dream: to lift the most prestigious trophy in the football history. The passion, the emotion, the drama. This is more than a game. This is FIFA World Cup 2026. So, who are you supporting in 2026? Comment below and let us know. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more football content. Thank you.